Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Uteng sembet ji momen uwe nakirang ba ubaju 3 months ngobha menha ka khat khandai trek ukalaling kot arhajar arphulai ula ujor persha eu MLA jong ka Mendi Pathar constituency berang sui no kam umarthon ji sangma ha ka baula kno ba umarthon ula Pyndonkam Bakla ya ka pisa jong patba nado usnam arhajar khat phra ka bade ka pisa na ka MLA Skhim unong ya saat anjong momen UAH Hazarika ulapan banaha kilat patay kubor menta kasingi ka arpulai trek ukalalingkot arhajar arpulai ba umumen ula ujor da ka RTI bat lalap bakilong ying kibaduk kila syak kentat ya ka hok banyo ikiten sop ying ka RTI ka peniru ba block development officer uklam ay kijing mentoy henry ladap ban pelat ya ka pisa ka balamang na kabenta kiten sop ying ka blakot degi keluar tingkah.
Now, in this respect, I am giving this press conference on behalf of my client, Wan Sri Tensing Batji Momin, who was a social worker in that area. So he filed an RTI. After obtaining the RTI, they have seen that there is much corruption. And the BPL family, this below poverty line family, was deprived of their right to get CGI sheet. So they have obtained 5 order sanctioned by the Community and Rural Development under the scheme called as RWP, that is Special Rural Work Program Scheme. And after obtaining these things, first one was sanctioned 13/12/2018, and amount of rupees 1,25,27,500 for 35 projects. Out of that, they are giving this amount for 1,25,000, 1,25,27,500 for CI sheet. This CI sheet mean for the BPL family, 610 BPL family, but for distribution of the CI sheet, basic rule is that first of all the local MLA, who is this Marthon Shangma, he have to provide the list of the BPL families beneficiaries to the BDO, and BDO will forward the list to the chairman of DRDA. After approval, money is supposed to be sanctioned. But after RTI information, it is found that there is no list of the beneficiaries. However, the money sanctioned for CI sheet, more than 1 crore of rupees, was withdrawn, and ultimately on the recommendation of the local MLA of Mendi Pathar constituency, was released to Wan Sri John Denver Shangma of Puthimari, Mendi Pathar. He has drawn the money, but BPL families has not get the CI sheet, 3 bundle each of the family. And another also is there, that one sanctioned on 6 March 2020. Total amount sanctioned 1,35,55,000, and for CGI sheet 1,11,60,000. That project, there was a 45 project and sanctioned for 600 BPL family, 3 bundle each. Here also same thing is happened. There is no list of the beneficiaries which have to be approved. Without approval, BDO and DC cannot release the money as sanctioned by the government. But it is sanctioned and released on the connivance of the local MLA. So families are deprived of. And another also order has passed on 29 April 2021 for 46 projects. The amount was sanctioned 1 crore 58 lakh 38,400, and for CGI sheet 1 crore 14 lakh 1,800 for 613 BPL family for giving 3 bundles of CGI sheet to each family. As per the inquiry for BPL member of BPL family, it is found that no BPL family was getting this CGI sheet. That means money has been misappropriated and siphoned the money for their personal use and interest in connivance with 3 persons will be in connivance. Most connected is one is local MLA of Mendipar constituency, another is the BDO, another is the DC plus chairman of DRDA. 3 persons are involved. Otherwise, this money cannot be released or drawn by any particular person, that is Denver Shanga. This has given directly one of the officers informed me like that in the police station. If you say something going tomorrow itself will be transferred from here. And moreover, Fulbari police station is a very good place for any police officers. They never want to transfer from there because number of cases are there. So lastly, I file a complaint to the Director General of Police. Then I am giving the chronological event I have filed it on 21st September 2022, giving all the details. Personally, that day I went there, but I could not meet him because he was not in the station. So I filed this one with them and duly received by them, but no action they have taken till date. But as per the criminal law, any FIR come, then and there they have to take the action. But same thing they are denied. So if they will make a corrupted of the police officer, how the law and order should be maintained? There is also so many bike theft are there. Even Bulgari also, theft also many residents, no action has been taken. But I have taken some initiative. Somewhere I put this CCTV camera. After that, in that area, that thievery and other thing become minimized. I kept some other person also to watch who is that. And recently some dacoits are from that area was shot dead. So my contention is that here, being a big officer, I am filing the FIR, then and there they have to register. They have investigated into the matter, not only mine, even if a poor people will come. That is their duty bound to do it. Even they are not following IPC or the CSPC. Themselves, how to blame the peoples? For little things, they are expert. When big people will come, interfere by the big people, they are become silent, telling this and that, will take action, like this time is passing, and people are forgetting it. So I am contemplating, because as the SP also not taking action, DGP also not taking action, I thought of approaching this appropriate court, particularly in the High Court. Can say that not only one MLA, maybe maximum MLAs are following the same method and using this money at the time of election for buying vote. So we cannot expect that there would be a fair and free election, but it would be a corrupted elections. So this thing, according to me, should be stopped immediately. And this authority concern, as some are from the ruling party, even if complaint made also, no action has been taken against it. Just going, we'll wait, we are inquiring into this matter, we'll file it, this and that, like this 5 years comes, so matter is closing. So that's all, and I request all of you to do something in this respect, so poor people will get benefit out of the what is we call the MLA scheme. MLA scheme does not mean that this money is for the MLAs, because each MLA every year at least 2 crore are they are getting for developmental work, but no development has been done. If they will carry out exactly, you will see that not even a single village will be deprived of their pure drinking water, or the urinal, or the small footpath, or the waiting shed. All this will be available in the villages, but this thing is not there, because most of the electorate in Meghalaya, it's seen that they are illiterate and they do not know any other thing. If it will get 500 from the MLA, they are very happy, and they are forgetting that they are 95 rupees, in lieu of 5 rupees, 95 rupees is borrowed by this local MLA. They do not know all this thing, and you are the right person to bring to the notice of the general public. Let them become conscious and cast their vote for suitable candidates, so corruption cannot be rooted out, but it can be minimized. So it is sanctioned on 7 March 2022. There was around 45 project. Amount was sanctioned 1,65,35,800. This money for construction of the market shed, urinal, toilets, waiting shed, but when they have inquired physically in the field, they have found nothing has been done. Lastly, they have sanctioned in 2nd December 2022. For CGI shed, they have sanctioned 1,49,85,000, and for other project 92,75,000 for 16 projects. Here also same thing is happened. That means entire this social rural work program scheme money was siphoned off by illegal method. So there is a corruption cases as per this Preventive of Corruption Act. It is extracted particularly against these 3 persons. Now I am coming to other project. Then rural project, other side of the project, when my client has physically verified that 5 number of tube well sanction for the village Gazimpara, when physical verification, it has found that not even a single tube well was installed and given to the family members, villagers of that area. Another thing is that 4 number of seater paddle boat for 1 leg is there, Jolding legs, it is sanctioned at the amount of 75,000. It is also found that not even a single paddle boat was supplied to the organization which manage this leg. That is, that money also had been drawn and utilized for their own, but work has not been done. Of the market shed at the rate of 1,25,000 at Jamgaon village, market. However, when it is physical verification was done, it has been seen that not even a single market shed was constructed, but money has already been drawn. Another one is that urinal shed. Urinal for all these SSA or GOV LP school in that Mendipatar area. They are also only in the few school they have constructed, and 80% of this thing they have not constructed urinal for the schools. And another one is that they have sanctioned for Women Society 40,000 for construction of the societies, some houses or this and that, for buying this thread and all, but it has not been done. Another one is there a ring well at Gazingpara village, 40,000 is, but they have not installed even a single ring well in the villages, but money has been drawn. Because people are become conscious at the just before the election, before they are not calculating. When they are getting the lecture from the various candidate, they become conscious. What is that? Let us see. So they have filed the RTI. What is behind it? When they have found, so they have come here.
You have alleged that same thing is happening, that MLAs are not using the scheme, like 11 crores they are getting for 5 years.
Yes.
More than 11 crores.
Yes, yes.
So you are saying that MLAs are not using this scheme properly.
Yes. Not as per guideline issued by the government. Not as per me. As per the guideline issued by the government. There is total guideline they are violating.